Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable auto-delete history in the Google Meets or Open Meets app. Managing your meeting history is important for privacy and keeping your app clutter-free. Let's dive into the simple steps to set this up. First, open Meets app on your device. Next, tap on the three lines icon located in the top left corner to open the menu. Then, select Settings from the menu options. After that, click on History to access your meeting history settings. Now tap on Auto-Delete History. Finally, choose the desired time period for auto-deletion: 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. Once you select the time, the app will automatically delete your meeting history after that period, helping you maintain your privacy effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Stay tuned for more tutorials to keep your apps running smoothly.